Hello, good morning everyone. The time is now 11, and we are all packed. Room khali kar chuka hai. We have already emptied the room. We have shifted everything outside और उसके बाद में bike में पूरा stack कर चुका है. And the rest, only my helmet and gloves are left. And we had a very good stay over here, and I'm looking forward to come back again and stay at this place, because this is so awesome staying at this place. And Auntie, the host, she's so cute and she's so sweet, model in nature. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So we are warming up our bikes. Nico's bike is getting warm. This auntie, she was really nice. She was very sweet to us, and we're hoping to come back again and stay at her place.
She's so sweet, so cute. She's like a motherly auntie.
Yeah. So we'll hit the road now. So thank you very much again. We'll see you again.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Finally, this is the venue. It's the entrance. I need to get the registration first.
Get a self-register. Welcome.
Welcome drink. They have their respective states here. That's good.
This is very important.
Yeah, this is important.
Without this, meal is impossible.
I got myself registered. There's a band. This is very important.
This is a Mizoram traditional bouquet. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you. I even got my goodies bag. ये सब भूखा लोग लाइन पे लगा हुआ है खाना खाने के लिए. This long queue is for dinner. Since it's the first day, सब लोग जल्दी जल्दी डिनर कर लेंगे और रेस्ट करने का प्लान है.